Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your earbuds OPPO Enco Air 3i. So, the touch areas located at the back side of each earbud, right here at the top, right here and right here we have touch areas. Let me play some song. And to increase the volume, you need to press and hold at the touch area on your right earbud. So press and hold and look at this widget, I just increase the volume. To lower it, you need to press and hold at your left earbud. So press and hold, look at this widget, and it works also. And this one is only one option. We cannot set it to another gesture. If we go to the application and to controls, for the single press we have only playing pause, double press nothing about volume control, triple press the same, only press and hold. The same for the right one. As you can see, nothing, and only press and hold. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!